Okay, Roses, let's get into this under 5 minute skincare. We'll start off first with this delicate skin cleansing gel. It has aloe vera, licorice, and chamomile extract in it, and it's by M.A.D Skincare. A little bit goes a long way, so I really didn't need this much, but hey, I'm just trying to get this face clean. Let's go ahead and wash this off. All right, I found that using paper towels is a little bit more sanitary, well, a lot more sanitary, so this is something new I've added into my skincare regimen. Next up, cotton rounds from good old Dollar Tree, yes indeed. And today we're toning with some chamomile and orange blossom toning gel from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. I'm almost done with this, but I decided to use the last little bit today for you guys. Make sure you get the last bit of remnants of anything that could be left on the skin. Next up is a newcomer to my skincare regimen, and it's this facial serum with hyaluronic acid from Pydana collection. I am loving this so far, you guys. Take a look. Yes, this hyaluronic acid is a great moisturizer, wonderful for evening out textured skin and helping get rid of those nasty pimples. Yes, that got to go. So I'm working hard, and this hyaluronic acid facial serum is just what a woman needs. And my final step in my under 5 minute skincare is this daily moisturizer with chamomile and orange, and it's also from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. This cold weather has been rough on the sister skin, so I'm making sure I put plenty on. Make sure you don't forget that neck, because that neck gets dry and needs love too. All done. Talk to you later, Roses.